Hello students, good evening to all of you. I'm Seema Pandey, your biology teacher. Hope you all are safe and sound at your home. So again today we will continue the chapter biomolecules. Here we will discuss the topic that is concept of metabolism. Today we will study about the metabolism. So metabolism, as it was observed by the great discoveries that all biomolecules have a turnover. Now what is turnover? Turnover means that they are constantly being changed into some other biomolecules and also made from some other biomolecules. Means to say biomolecules like your proteins, fat, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, they all are continuously changing in some other chemical or in other products. So this is called turnover, right? So thus this breaking and making is through chemical reactions constantly occurring in the living organism. Collectively, these chemical reactions are called as metabolism. Clear? Metabolism means in metabolism, construction and destruction both comes under the metabolism. You can see what is metabolism. You see the chemical processes occurring within a living cell or organism that are essential for the regulation of the life. In metabolism, some products are broken down to produce energy for vital processes, while other substances necessary for life are synthesized. Clear? So this is about the catabolism and anabolism. Clear? So, metabolic pathways can lead to a more complex structure from a simpler structure or lead to a simpler structure from a complex structure. You can say the interconversion continuously is there, that is complex structure converted into the simpler form and simpler converted into the complex form, right? Number of chemical reactions takes place in the living beings in the human body or in the organism. Clear? So the former cases are called biosynthetic pathways or anabolic pathways, and the degradation reaction or pathways are called catabolic pathways. In simple words, if I say that anabolic pathways or anabolic reactions are those reactions where formation takes place, right? A formation of substances, a formation of chemicals takes place, that is called anabolic reaction. While what is catabolic reaction? Catabolic reactions are those reactions where degradation takes place or where destruction takes place. That is the catabolic the pathway or catabolic reaction. So in metabolism there are two pathways or there are two type of reactions takes place in metabolism, that is one is anabolic and one is the and the other one is the catabolic. Yeah? So anabolic pathway, there are some points given about anabolic and catabolic, that anabolic pathway consume energy while catabolic pathways lead to the release of energy. Clear? So anabolic needs energy, anabolic reactions needs energy, and catabolic reactions emerge or they release the energy. Clear? For example, like glucose is degraded into lactic acid in our skeletal muscle, energy is liberated. You had seen when you run faster, your legs are uh, in your legs, you will feel energy are liberating from your legs, very warm. They are you will you are feeling warm in your legs. Or you had heard about the anaerobic respiration, like athletes are running and in legs of athletes there are sorry, there are anaerobic respiration takes place where glucose is converted into the lactic acid, right? So energy is liberated there. So that is the catabolic reaction takes place, right? See, energy and human life, how energy is related with the human being. Chemical energy, you know, carbohydrate is the glucose, you know the structure of glucose, fats, you know the structure of lipids, you know the structure of protein or amino acid, obviously, right? and you know the structure of nucleic acid also, clear? So see the chemical waste here, carbon dioxide and water, right? Heats are liberating here, body's energy currency. You know very well that energy currency of the cell is called as ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, clear? So through the metabolism, heat will be produced, or heat produced, clear? That's why when you eat food, after the metabolism or after the digestion of food, when you have started even taking food, what happens? You feel energetic, or you feel warm, clear, when you had started the taking food, right? So the most important form of energy currency in the living system is the bond energy in a chemical called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. So bioenergetics is a sub-discipline. Listen, this is a subject. What is the discipline? Discipline means subject here, right? Bioenergetics is a branch, you can say, or it's a subject where you will study about the energy conversion, how to energy convert into the work, and how to store the energy, forms of energy. All these are discussed in this subject, or in this sub-discipline that is called as bioenergetics, clear? So the living state, what is the living state? The most important fact of biological system is that all living organisms exist in a steady state characterized by concentrations of each of these biomolecules. Now you know very well what are the biomolecules, clear? So these biomolecules are in a metabolic flux. Any chemical or physical process moves spontaneously to equilibrium. The steady state is a non-equilibrium state. Clear? As living organisms work continuously, they cannot afford to reach equilibrium. Clear? Hence, a living state is a non-equilibrium steady state to be able to perform work. Means to say, why they are saying again and again that living beings cannot be exist in a equilibrium state. The reason is that every time chemical processes are taking their place there in the living beings, like chemical or physical processes are continuously spontaneously is done there, like changes are there, chemical reactions taking place, right? So that's why living beings never be comes in the equilibrium state, right? So living processes is a constant effort to prevent falling into equilibrium, right? This is achieved by energy input. Metabolism provides a mechanism for the production of energy. Hence, the living state and metabolism are synonymous. That's why without metabolism, there cannot be living state. Clear? So this is about the some cycle is there, that you have food intake is there, complex carbohydrates, proteins, triglycerides means lipid. Clear? So these are the complex biomolecule, like carbohydrate, protein, and lipid. Protein convert into the amino acid, protein synthesis takes place, this carbohydrate convert into the glucose, obviously energy production takes place, that is ADP, from ADP to ATP, and from lipid, glycerol and fatty acids is there. You can see catabolic reaction and anabolic reactions takes place here. Cannibalization of muscle tissue, starvation response. Starvation response means starvation condition, when athlete runs in the muscles of, in the leg muscle of that athlete, starvation condition is there. That's why anaerobic respiration takes place there. Glucose converted into the lactic acid continuously, and which help in the providing to the energy to the leg muscles. Clear? So this is all about metabolism. Hope you all are getting it. Please go through it, and if you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you, students.